Yolanda's cooking channel.
Okay, we're gonna make some Colombian tamales or Ayacas. So we're gonna use chicken, they're already seasoning. And I already turned the stove on. And I season it with mustard, garlic, salt, cumin, and Goya. So we're gonna use, for the chicken, we're gonna use cilantro, green pepper, orange pepper, red pepper, onions, and green onions. And we're gonna use like carrots, sweet peas, and green beans. And we're gonna use too the corn maize. That's the kind I use, but that's the one that's work for me. And banana leaves, that's how we're gonna prepare the bananas, with banana leaf. We're gonna add the water to the chicken. And it'll cook about 40 minutes, an hour. We can add a little bit after maybe 10 minutes, wait 10 minutes, and we go add the vegetable and all the stuff over here. Like the onions, green onions, cilantro stuff. We're gonna add into the water half and half. And the other half we're gonna do after, because I need to share the chicken to put it in the tamales. You stir. You let some on the part of the chicken with the skin because you need a little greasy for the corn maize when you do the maize. We'll add some half on this. And you use the other half later. Right here. I already have seasoned the chicken, but I add water, so you can still add more garlic, more salt, more cumin, and mustard. You stir and wait for 40 minutes to an hour. When you wait, you can open the banana leaf, and we have to clean up. So after the chicken is done, we're gonna put it out, put it on the side, and wait to cool down so we can share it. So I can share it. Okay, so we need to saute the other half on the vegetable. We need to add I need to add the garlic. And some cumin, salt, and some Goya. Stir. Already chilling the chicken. When the vegetable is done, we're gonna put the chicken in the pot. Okay, so we add a little water from the chicken. And now it's time to add the chicken. Look at that, looks really good. Okay, so the chicken is ready. So we had the part on the chicken, the water chicken. So I gonna mix the corn maize. Crab is still warm. Make sure your hand is really clean because you need to use your 2 hands or 1 for right now. And you mix it up, so you can have all this flavor. Look at that. You mix it up really good. It looks a little soft, but after dry, it's gonna be a little thick. So you don't need to add more. Okay, I'm ready to make the tamales. So we use 2 banana leaves. And that's how the way you do it. Spray some oil. Make a little bowl. Press that. You will press some oil on the plastic. Press. Make sure it's a little thinner because you don't want it thick. Add the chicken. You add 1 potato and some carrots. Press, turn it out like that. Do the other side. Use the other one. Make sure you touching, like you see where is the edge, the end. So we're gonna tie it. And that's how you make the tamales. So we have the tamales ready now. So we're gonna put it in the pot. I add in the water, I add white vinegar and salt. So I'm gonna put it, I prefer steaming, but you can boil too. And I want to tell you about, I like to use chicken with bones because the flavor. But you can use chicken without bones, like breast or any kind that you prefer. But I prefer with the bones. So I'm gonna steam it for maybe for an hour. I think an hour is good. So let's go wait an hour so we'll see how it tastes.
Girl. Oh, yeah, girl. Mine look better than yours. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Not to wet my hands. It won't stick to me.
Of course you did.
Okay. Mine was a little.
Mine isn't. Mine's a little more delicious.
Yeah, mine's better though.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Look how far. Do you know how many tamales I'm ahead of you?
That doesn't matter.
Yes, it does, because mine are prettier.
No, it does not.
Yes.
Okay. We're almost out of potatoes and stuff.
It's a little too big.
We're just gonna stick onto there. I think I messed up.
Really?
Just gonna. That's a day in the life. Okay. We don't ask. Just act like it looks pretty.
Mine does look pretty. You just have to, like, close your eyes and eat it.
Not bad.
Yeah, it's good right here.
Okay. Guys, I have my own technique of tying.
Oop, I tied mine the wrong way.
Wait. Everyone wait. So then we're gonna tie like a T. And then, wait. And then we tie this way again because usually it doesn't fit for me. Not the best.
Yolanda's Cooking Channel.